Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all doing good. Today we are going to do our reading test of LanguageCert. This is reading test 5 and it's part 3. You can see here there are instructions. Read the 4 text. Which text gives you the answer to each question? Choose the correct text A to D for each question. We have 4 paragraphs or passages A, B, C and D. And these paragraphs contain some information and there are some questions related to these paragraphs. There are 7 questions and we need to tell in which paragraph this information is mentioned. For example, if we see our question 1, describe how a product is manufactured. Where this information, in which paragraph or which passage this information is mentioned of manufacturing of something. So likewise we will locate the information and we will write next to these question A, B, C, D. Whatever paragraph will be, we will write in the next to it the paragraph A, B or C or D. First of all, we need to understand these questions, then we will be able to locate the information. Our first question is describe how a product is manufactured. There will be information of manufacturing. Second question is gives advice on how to make something at home. There will be advice of making something at home. These are our keywords. Question 3 is inviting people to select a winner of a recipe competition. There will be a passage, a person will be inviting somebody or to a winner of recipe. Question 4, what flavor was voted to win? Which flavor or what flavor was voted? Question 5, who checks the quality of the crisp before packaging? Who checks quality? There will be a person, machine or anything who checks the quality of crisp. Question 6, how many people submitted a recipe to the competition? We need to tell how many people, but these are not short question answer. We will just write the answer A, B, C or D. 7, what equipment is needed to slice the potatoes? There will be information about the equipment. Now let's start and find the answers. Paragraph A is crisp fans are once again asked to decide on what the sweetest taste sensation to hit the supermarkets should be. The semi-finalists to the Do Us a Flavor contest, including this. This paragraph is talking about contest. A game is being played or a contest, any competition. It is talking about competition. Unusual and crazy flavors like cherry, cheesecake, sweet chili and chocolate and smoked gouda and honey. The brand chose 3 finalists. Here you can see there are 3 finalists. Go into production and let the fans decide which they like the best by actually trying them when they hit the shops on July 24th. In the last year's contest, more than 10 million people voted for their favorite flavor. You can vote for your choice between July 24th and October 8th through the company's website. It is all talking about the competition. So we will read the first question. Describe how product is manufactured. No. Second, gives advice on how to make something at home. No. Option 3 is inviting people to select a winner of recipe competition. Yes, it is inviting a people. It is inviting people to select the winner. So its answer will be A. So we will read further. For what flavor was voted to win? There is no mention of any flavor that was voted. 5, who checks the quality of the crisp before packaging? How many people submitted a recipe to the competition? There is no mention of that. 7, what equipment is needed to slice the potatoes? So there is no mention of that in that paragraph. So we will read further, and next time we will not read question number 3 because it is already taken. We will not read it again. Now we will move to paragraph B. Farmer grows potatoes that have a long shape of easy cutting. After picking, they are washed and a machine rubs off their skin and sort them by size. Next, they are cut into 3 mm slices. This is all information related how these things are manufactured. I think chips or crispy chips or French fries, you say. These potatoes are then put in the vegetable oil and bubble at 190 degrees. As they cook, the water inside them turns to steam. The steam travels upward and the oil replaces the water in the potato slice, making it crispy. Yes, this gives us information how something is manufactured, and our option 1 describe how product is manufactured. So we will write B here. It gives us information about manufacturing. Second, gives advice how to make something at home. No. We will read further. Maybe we have the answer. What flavor was voted to win? No. But we need to read it further first, then we will go to the question. After inspector ensure the crisps are right. There is the information. One more information we got. After inspector ensure the crisps are right. Who checks the crisp? Inspector. Uh, After inspection ensure the crisps are right, the color, and they are removed from the cooker and into bags. Then packers put the bags into boxes and crisps are ready to be delivered to the shops. There was an option. Gives advice on how to make something at home. No. 4. What flavor was voted to be? No. 5. Who checks the quality of crisp before packaging? Inspector checks. So 5 is B also. We will write B here. Now we are left with 3 options. 2, 4. No, we are left with 4 options. Because we have 7 questions, we are left with 4 options, and we will find these 4 into C and D. Now we will read C. Crisp fan Peter Rains will be able to afford mini potatoes based snacks in the future after winning $1 million in a contest asking for a new potato crisp flavor. His flavor received 26% of the public vote to be crowned and the championship crisp. There was a question about voted crisp or voted flavor. So we find the information here. Peter's recipe avocado toast beat the 3 other finalists: chicken curry, cheesy beans, and Worcester's sauce to land the huge 1 million prize. Okay, we will see the options. Gives advice on how to make something at home. No, this is not the answer. 4. What flavor was voted to win? Yes. Here is the information in this passage about flavor and votes. So we will write C here. Now we will look for other information. The judges selected the final candidates from our 1.2 million entries. Married dad of one and his ex-boy Peter is now planning trips abroad. Although he has gone to work as usual today, we can probably imagine what's in his packed lunch. So what other information can we get? Gives advice on how to make something at home. No. 6. How many people submitted a recipe to the competition? Yes. This information we can find in the C. How many people submitted a recipe to the competition? There were some people. 26% of the public vote to be crowned the champion. Crisp Peter's recipe avocado toast to be the 3 other finalists: chicken curry, cheesy beans. To land the huge 1 million prize, the judges selected the final candidates from 1.2 million entries. Married dad of one and his ex-boy Peter. Now, these persons were who submitted the recipe to the competition. So we will write C here. The answer of 6 will be C. Now, rest of two questions answer will be D, but we need to locate the information where these are written, gives advice or how to make something at home. And the last one, what equipment is needed to slice the potatoes. So we will read D. For the best chili crisp, you will need 1 kg potatoes, oil, salt, pepper, chili powder. Slice the potatoes using a knife with a sharp blade. So what thing do we need to slice the potatoes? Knife. There is the information about what equipment is needed to slice the potatoes. This was the question number 7 and its answer is D. Now we need to locate other information, gives advice on how to make something at home. Rinse in cold water until the water runs clear, then soak for 30 minutes. Heat at large deep pan about a third full with oil to 160 degree. Meanwhile, dry the potatoes well with a kitchen towel. Don't fry them all at the same time as they will take longer if you will fill up the pan. Stir as you add them until golden and crispy. Mix the spices and add them to the pan before you take the crisp out. Let them dry on kitchen paper. Eat immediately. This paragraph does not mention any information about how you can cook or how you can make potatoes at home, but this passage indicates that this information is for those persons who want to make french fries or potatoes at home, so they have written instructions for them. So we need to use common sense here. We have left one option and there will be a D, and we will write D here. So these are our 7 questions and their answers. I hope you have understood everything. Inshallah, in the next video, I will meet you with the next part, that is part 4 of test 5 of language cert reading for level B2. Inshallah, in the next video, we will meet again. Allah Hafiz.